Critics called it the best piece of news from Europe's least fortunate economy. Record spending by tourists has helped Greece post its first current account surplus since the country's central bank began keeping records in 1948. Figures from the Bank of Greece show the difference between money going into the country was 1.2 billion euros more than what was coming out of it. The surplus for 2013 amounts to about 0.7% of the total Greek economic output. It marks a significant improvement from the year prior, when the current account registered a deficit of 4.6 billion euros. Current account deficits have been a drag on the Greek economy for decades, with the gap plugged by borrowing and investment from abroad. Experts are hoping Greece to repeat a surplus this year, but the country, they warn, has yet to turn the corner in terms of economic success. In fact, economists say, while increased spending from tourists has helped bring in revenue for the country, most of Greece's current account deficit reduction has come because of a massive squeeze in imports caused by sagging consumption linked to the recession. That means every man, woman and child in Greece spends about 2,000 euros less on foreign goods and services each year, significantly less than what they did just ahead of the crisis. Anthi Karasava, Athens.